Original, 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 original Batman. Oh.
It's V-Kills.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, see me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I installed this braided wig unit on a tiny Winnie afro. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is to cover up her hair with a stocking cap. So after doing that, I realized that her hair wasn't laying flat. So I'm going to apply the Eco Styler gel to make her hair lay flat.
I don't want to tire, so me I light up the fire. Girl, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head. You got a thing that go Chris for a man. I got the money, so they sing for me, girl. Wine for me, girl, she a wine for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on. Aye. On the cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Aye. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for him.
So after applying the gel and making sure that her hair is laying flat, I'm going to tie it up with a scarf to make it even flatter than it is already. And then 15 minutes later, I took off the scarf. So right now I'm reapplying the stocking cap to create a scarf, and I'm going to apply her foundation to match the stocking cap together with her skin. And I'm going to be using a foundation brush to apply the foundation on the stocking cap.
Oh Lord of His mercy, hey, His body baby, oh. Hey, His body baby, oh. Bulaka, it's a bad man thing. See, I'm a, it's a bad man thing. Bulaka, see, see, I'm a jar.
So this is the braided wig that we are going to be installing today, and is from She's Omoni hair, which is my collection. So I have these braided wigs in different styles that you guys can actually choose from. This is the style that she chose, and to be honest, this style looks so beautiful on her. And right now I'm just going to position the braided wig on her head. This wig is 34 inches long and the weight is 461, is less than 500 grams, so you can see that it is super lightweight. As you can see, the baby hair is a bit much, so I'm going to use a tweezer to remove some of the baby hair to make it look a bit more natural. And this lace is a Swiss lace and it matches perfectly with almost every skin complexion.
Turn me on, now you're taking me all night long. Bad man, bossing all the place, them are wanting more. Them are wanting more. See, bossing all the place, then they feel me, yo. Then they feel me, yo. See them girls just want to.
I'm going to use these scissors and an eyebrow razor to do the cutting of this lace.
When I pull up in a place, they be wanting more. Wanting more. When I pull up in a scene, they be wanting more. In the place, see the girl them know. See the girl them know. In the house, see the man them know. See the man them know.
So guys, this wig is actually a glueless wig because I've installed it on a client before and we didn't have to use glue at all. Everything just sat on her head like it was glued, but it wasn't. And the reason why we're going to be gluing this one is because this braided wig is only available in size medium, and because my model for today is a size small, she has like a small head, so for that reason I'll have to glue it because it's not going to sit on her head as glueless. But I'm going to be doing another glueless install, maybe on myself or someone else with a medium size head. That way you guys can see what I'm talking about. I'll be using the Got to Be Glued freeze spray on her hairline to hold down this wig, but I'm also going to use the cool setting on my blow dryer to make this freeze spray a bit tacky before laying the lace down.
Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama got me a damn. Me a tell them me a what I done. Tell them okay what I done, me a done. Tell them let them hear what I want. Tell them me out, let them hear what I want. Say they can don't try run me down. Bad man, me I never talk on me on. Say, them a fear try pull me down. Bad men are tracking me down. I tell them, bad man endure me, I vex them. They don't understand me, I see them. Anywhere they stand me, I cheer them. Hello, I tell them, coming on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk, me I tear them.
So after that, I'm going to use a hair tie to tie down her hairline. That way the lace will melt into her skin. And I'll wait about 15 minutes later before taking down the hair tie. So 15 minutes later, I took down the hair tie and I'm going to lay down her baby hair. So I'm also using the scissors to cut the baby hair to make it look shorter. So after cutting the baby hair, I went ahead and used the Lotta body styling mousse to lay down the baby hair, but I wasn't feeling it that much. I wanted the baby hair to stay longer, so I went ahead and used my edge control to lay it down.
Original bad man. And me get this song for them.
So guys, you can choose to add more baby hair if you want, but this is what we went for and it wasn't bad at all. As you can see, it does look really natural, so you can do your baby hair anyhow you want. If you want it thicker, you can leave more hair. So guys, I went ahead and tied down her hairline one more time to keep the baby hair in place while I go ahead and apply some accessories to beautify this hair.
Another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Stop having me on my knee. They wanna put me on the display.
I'm going to use a foundation and a small flat brush on the lines to make it more realistic on her head. So that's basically all that I did for this installation. Every details of this wig will be in my description box below in case you guys are interested. I also have other styles on my website. Don't forget to check it out, www.shesomonihair.com. The link will be in my description box below. So that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
But my music fire, it did drive them crazy. I want them, you won't go me. For my city, for my hood, them no. See my people, them hail me. If they're hating on me, make the carry go. For me radio, every day they play me for me radio. Then they feel me. Anytime they see me on the video. They want to see. When me chillin' for me yard, I'm sitting on the low key. Shake goes. Man a bad man, they can try to see. What my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw, well, okay. If you they play my music, if you get my CD, make you hate me when you see me. Nah. They want to know. Tobari me in the street, to my say, only make them. They got to go. Tobari me in the bed, to my calm down. I'm more, yeah. I'm more, yeah. Original bad man.
It's fake kills.
Standard.